Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, guys. Today we're going to be cooking some barbecue chicken. It's a cold, rainy Sunday here. We got playoff football on, and we're going to make us some barbecue chicken to warm us up. So this is a bone-in split chicken breast I picked up from the grocery store. And this half of it I got marinating in this Sweet Baby Ray's Hawaiian barbecue sauce and some pineapple juice. And this half of it I've had marinating in this Halifax jerk sauce all day. The wife wanted something sweet and asked me to make something with this barbecue sauce. And this jerk marinade was a Christmas present that I could not let go to waste. So I'm really excited to see how these come out. Well, since we don't have to worry about getting our meat rubbed down, since it's been marinating all day, let's go ahead and get our pit fired up. So we've got the Traeger rocking around 275. We got the hopper pretty much full of Bear Mountain barbecue pellets, the gourmet barbecue blend. And we've got these chicken breasts on here. They are already smelling fantastic. I have never used this jerk marinade before, but it has got my whole back patio smelling amazing. I can't wait to try it. We're going to check back in a little bit, probably like 45 minutes or so. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes. This sweet and spicy marinade combo I got on the barbecue right now smells absolutely incredible. These are nowhere near done. I just temped them. We still probably got another half hour or so we'll check on these in a little bit. And after about an hour and 45 minutes, these bad boys are done. They're looking great, smelling fantastic. We're going to bring them inside to rest. Just wanted to brag real quick for a minute here and show you guys how perfectly these things came out. They are juicy and tender and perfectly cooked. 275 on the Traeger with bone-in chicken never lets me down. Well, there you go, guys. That's how I made some barbecue chicken and rice for me and the wife tonight. The sweet barbecue chicken came out fantastic. So did that jerk chicken. Couldn't have been easier. Super easy way to spice up some chicken and rice. Just got some marinades. Let the barbecue do the work. Couldn't have been easier. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Deuces.